This fridge will not be salvageable. Is this thing gonna fit?
Turns out the fridge was the biggest project.
Oh, we had to take it out because it's just super inefficient. It'll pull like 15 amps on 12 volt. 15 amps. That's crazy inefficient. So had to go. Of course. One last thing.
Oh, good. We'll get to see the big finish.
Vent hose.
Of course.
Get out of here, vent hose. Alright, come on now. Okay, that is still attached. Be yanked.
Just cut it.
That might work, and an option that is definitely going to work. Let's start with the main.
It's looking like
Nope.
No. It's like excessively large for this tiny wire.
Like, but I'm about to just chop all of this.
Might as well.
Can I just do it?
We're
Like,
literally trashing this.
I'm trashing the whole thing.
The whole thing is trash now.
Alright.
You beat it with a hammer. We've ripped off the
I
back.
have destroyed it completely.
This is like the one thing I figured we could sell for decent money too.
Not anymore.
You're gonna cut your toe off. We're gonna have to stop and go get food after this because I feel like our decision making is getting a little weak.
Please, there's nothing left for this thing to be hung up on. Yes. Hey.
Oh my god, if it doesn't fit.
Oh. Shall I drop it unceremoniously?
Yeah. Oh, a step.
I was gonna jump, but I didn't know what was gonna happen. Woo! Alright! Look how pretty it is!
So we pulled the fridge out. If you watch our latest YouTube video, you'll see that we insulated everything. Here's me trying to put the panels in the truck.
Oh jeez!
This is the only time you're going to see us putting panels in the truck because our hard drive crashed and we lost everything in between here. So we're kind of going to catch you up to speed real fast. So basically measure, cut, paint. Yeah, that was it. We did it. We had to then wedge them into place and staple them.
This thing is like the perfect size. Oh, wait. I got those.
Dude.
I got those.
Why?
Okay.
I'm doing it. I don't help often, so when I do the heavy lifting. What you don't see next is Will measuring and cutting the panels. I then paint them and paint the rest of the camper. Take that. Won't see us put in the floors, but those are the floors. They get installed. They just click into place. Here's the floor.
Yeah. Alright, I can get down now.
Yeah. You can go put the cart away.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Alright, let's go.
Woo! This is what we did with all the wood we pulled from the camper that we couldn't use. Toasted my buns.
We got toasty buns.
Toasty buns. We gotta rotate them a little. I don't want to bring them in there together, right?
We probably won't.
I just like being on fire right here. Like, that looks cool.